Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now by proving you own the device. Don't wait. Locate the purchase receipt, IMEI or serial number, and the account email tied to the phone. Once done, back up photos, contacts, and any files. Make sure you can restore them. Also note the exact MDM name and Android release because support teams will ask. Acting fast saves time. Gather these items and prepare to contact the authorized administrator or support channel for removal. Next, reach out to the enrolling organization or IT administrator and request they remove the MDM profile. Explain why and provide the proof and device identifiers you gathered. This is how they verify identity and revoke management. If the admin cannot help, escalate to the MDM vendor's support or the carrier. They can guide a legitimate unenrollment path. Do not attempt bypass methods. Authorized removal prevents data loss and preserves warranty and compliance for both you and the organization. Finish by confirming the MDM profile is gone, open settings, check accounts and device management, then reboot to make sure restrictions are removed. If an authorized factory reset is required, only proceed after confirming removal and with backups available. This protects your data. If you still can't regain full access, present your ownership proof and prior correspondence to vendor or carrier support to escalate. This documented path resolves most issues. Keep records, stay patient, and follow authorized channels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.